Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings, dear students of the diploma. Yes, in the path of trade and more commerce. Information System ETSN. In this lecture, we want to conclude or summarize the chapters of this course. If we look at the chapter information about the main objectives of the course that students must engage with are to achieve the results of the subject. According to the outline of the course, we need to understand the role of information systems in business. Today, in this chapter, we will discuss the impact of information systems on business and their relationship. And according to the outline of the course, we have to understand the role of information systems in business. Today, in this chapter, we will discuss the impact of information systems on business and their relationship to globalization and organizations, their relationship to all globalization and organizations. In other words, in this chapter of the study topic or the course, we will highlight the importance of information systems in transforming businesses through the use of technology in general within organizations and in the context of business and its relationship to globalization overall. Also, it emphasizes the importance of the information system transforming business through the increasing use of wireless technologies, Web 2.0 technologies, and cloud computing. We can identify platforms and opportunities for globalization. Opportunities, in one way or another, we will point out the importance of information systems in transforming businesses and the use of technologies such as cloud computing and platforms in general. Information systems are also crucial in driving change in emerging markets. So Digit 2000, this means that since information systems are very important, especially for emerging companies and organizations, there must be strong relationships and a natural understanding of the relationship between institutions and information systems, as each one influences the other. Flexibility is growing. Activities, aspects, and interactions between IT and corporate operations are interconnected, influencing each other. This ultimately leads to success. There is an interdependence between the ability to use information technology and the ability to implement corporate strategies effectively. This means that all these activities or all these aspects or all these interactions between information technology and corporate operations are interconnected. We mentioned that each one influences the other. In any case, this leads to achieving the goals or the success of the corporate strategies. And of course, this provides greater assistance in organization management. Really, it doesn't take much time. Strategies, business activities, to achieve practical strategic business. How do you use or why do you use any information technology strategies in organizations? We will mention 6 key strategies in this field. And if we want to express them in our language, it talks almost about you all subscribe and join. Comparative level. If we express our love in our language, it is almost specific. Operational differentiation and how to deal with new products, as well as the relationships between customers and suppliers. We have 2 types of customers: the clients who provide you with materials or production inputs, and this is called a client or supplier. The other type is the customer who benefits from the services or products you offer. In any case, the information system should influence or improve decision-making processes. It's also very, very important that we compete, which is crucial. This is called a client or supplier, and the customer is the one who benefits from the services or products you offer. In any case, the information system should influence or improve decision-making processes. It's also very, very important that we compete, which is very, very important. Competition is, in essence, about competing with peers and also about maintaining a competitive edge. Competition is also one of the goals of the 6 objectives to be integrated within business organizations. Clear systems are essential tools for achieving these objectives, and they help improve efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Interdependence or interdependence between 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 interdependence organizations or institutional frameworks, and the information shows, and it's the last in the increase. In any case, it should open new doors for demands, changes, regulations, and even a shift in the business practices that organizations engage in. Also, one of the very important things is that information systems are interconnected. The internet-connected community. Of course, these are obvious results of the collaboration or the overlap of efforts with the founders, and also in this detail. Control, of course, these are obvious results of the collaboration and efforts or the overlap of information with institutional frameworks. And also in this detail, the 6 strategies, such as subsequently cooperation between users, must enter the data into the United Area and obtain this information in order to. He is the uncle of Dihai. 3 negotiations of the United Region cause the United Region to conduct business and needs. Within the organization, the content is restricted. This also limits the business model of the organization, which is limited to 3 directions: inputs, processes, and outputs, whether it is a production company, a service organization, or a media institution. Feedback should allow us to benefit from technology. It can be fast. Feedback, meaning the returns or outcomes from these services, should, in any case, allow us to benefit from the introduction of technology as feedback. And feedback using technology can be in time, meaning it can be guaranteed. Quickly, let's test some of these specifications. This section also covers the hierarchy of authority, where you have 3 levels: senior management, middle management, and operational management. These are 3 entities or 3 departments or 3 classifications of the enterprise within the organization. Dean of Facilities, Director, and Director of National Facilities. Oh, those are 3 departments or 3 divisions or 3 categories of me, the empresses in the organization. The workforce or staff are in senior, middle, or operational management. Technology varies by job level, affecting tasks and authority. Information systems dimensions refer to technology, roles in the virtual organization. It separates business functions like sales, HR, finance, and manufacturing. This clarifies responsibilities and workflows. The The dimensions of information systems refer to the roles that technology plays within the virtual organization. This includes the separation of business functions such as sales and marketing, human resources, finance, and manufacturing business processes. Align sales, marketing, and HR with the tech and business needs evolve together. These are all requirements. When IT is introduced to organizations, it must align with operations because changes in technology depend on the organization's work culture, strategies, and style. Operations evolve with technology. Management decisions on information systems require creativity. Designing these levels demands responsibility, productivity, and innovation. Investment in IT should yield returns. Investing in IT can lead to three scenarios: weak investment with low productivity, weak investment with high productivity, or high investment with low productivity. Management decisions on information systems require managers to be creative. Managers must be responsible, productive, and innovative. Investment in information technology should yield returns. Investing in IT can lead to low investment and low productivity, low investment and high productivity, high investment and low productivity, or high investment and high productivity. Analyzing these scenarios is crucial. Investment in information technology is expected to yield returns. Actually, investment in information technology can lead to three scenarios. Your investment is weak with low productivity, your investment is weak with high productivity, or your investment is high with low productivity. Your investment is high and your productivity is also high. These four scenarios show that not every investment in information technology is a successful one. Not all investments in information technology ensure success. And when your investment is high and your productivity is high, these four scenarios illustrate investment in information technology because not every investment in information technology is a successful one. Also, on another note, the complementary products or complementary categories should ideally be associated with the organization, and there should be ancillary materials related to these complementary products. No. The complementary foundations or complementary categories, or we can call them complementary products, should ideally be associated with the organization, and there should be ancillary materials related to these complementary products. Does this respond then? The main product. Because the negotiation in the main program might potentially succeed and do so successfully. So this is community negotiation. How can we assist with this program? In the end, we can say that ultimately, in the conclusion, we can say that devices from the information system for processing, verification, and validation, and verification, 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 and verification. Address, please. Merul. It should be a clear and detailed summary, concise and comprehensive,